Like I was telling you people the story of my wife. But those days I know that there weren't any fault. I saw so many faults. I saw so many things. But my mind and my thinking told me that yes, this woman is going to change. She's still a young girl. Those days I know now she program I was seeing so many faults. But for her to see my own fault and bear them, why can't I bear it for her sake? Or for love's sake? It is over. I will not marry again. This, that. I went to one of our sisters in the church there in a charismatic. I explained to her, see, look at what I'm saying. This is what my girl is doing. I said, are you sure you are going to marry Blessing? Because Blessing is not your wife. For me, if you ask me, she's not your class. There is a place you are going. That girl is not your class. She discouraged me, and the more she was talking to me, is the more angry I became. I was so angry about all the nonsense she was vomiting. Because Nyem Chogambahu won't give him advice to continue. Somebody who will throw one or two good advice for me, he gave me must swallow my pride to say, oh yeah, come back, let's continue. But I didn't see it from her. The next day, discouragement. And when you are a sister, a marriage counselor, I'm in a church in Bama. The next day, another sister in a church, same chifimo, I'm complaining it's a blessing. And the only person about what was happening then is just this sister. Hey! I was shocked. Because one thing I hate is people to hear my story, my family story, my secret, and every other thing that concerns me. Yes! I never wanted to hear it. Are you getting my point? One woman named my referee that I always call mommy. My mind crossed that woman. I rushed to her shop. No longer was before Lemanya who Anya Medina drop on Nanya. Or some longinus or guinea. Kenki is here, we might have places. I want to bless no, no one go be immediately mention because the only person that will make me to shed tears is that woman. You see, I'm more lequelequelequeachia. Simon here, Kine Braqua. Open you wine or when you go. Gine about quota. Then when Endel Rudine me carry him Kurunguba. Bless you, the only woman that will make you to cry like this is your wife. You love her. I can see love in your eyes. Say, yes, mommy, I do. I love her. That the angel you don't know is better than the devil you know too well. Okay, Ruma. Morgan, I gave you Lutania Tijara. No one beginning to be happier. When you get a loan, your dog, if you be the one. Near Mom, the woman has 4 daughters, 4 girls. Near when I be now, all 5 girls was sanga. Honey, Lonobla with a character here. Nsugu ba chupu God blessing bia ngwa gi bia kporo nwa kem. Gi de te gi bi da hanishi. Muwakwa nwa muwakwa character ya. Muwoto sha akpa agwa. Di ko nwere kesef nke nwa ma dị worse than this one in a complain now. That onye obula should onye obula ejiji shie ike na akuziri ya. Na nwunye ga gi mege lo ya na onye amuo nwa. Channel ye ni ile ya channel ya ebo maazi no. She will begin to reason like a mother. So many things will begin now. But kita hota be ho nwe dika onye lruti. Kai okwu aha abanye m n'ụbụrụ. Nye m phone gị dial ara m number. Dial number my girl that time. Ozugbo m na dial number. O pick yes. Hey, Obi. Elebi no. Ano m alaba nkuja. Orile ka ha bi. I na akota isi set like kpọbeghị ya na phone mana ya nwa decide go pia wa adewa. Say want to go to the house. Ọwụrụ ogbugbu ka m ga-egbu ya taa mgbuo ya. Mommy anara m phone. Say blele lebi no say ano n'ime alaba. Ya na agafe alaba. Say bia na shop. She stopped over and came to the shop. She saw me crying. She knelt down before me inside the market. That was the end. From that day till now. Yeah, almost 12 years now. Because all during the time of our, till now, I'm telling you till now, even till tomorrow, even in my family, abatacha Christmas ụmụ nwaanyị mana ebe alụrụ ụmụ nwaanyị buru ibu onye abatacha the last thing ị ga-anụ asị nwunye chifu imo ọ gakwa na-eji onye elu ọ bịa ha na mgbe ahụ ime ha n'ihi a gwa gị ya sị m na mma mme ihe ọjọọ ọ sị ha mma ke adịghị mma imeteghi ya n'ọgwụ nwa mama okwuru ụmụazị eme ihe gị bara ha ke okwu oye nga ahụ okwucha anya osogori gị hete for that minute ya na mama ihu nga ha na-aba mba na ha bacha the next minute mama agakwa buru oche na ọ gara ya ọsọ nwunye nwa ya na-akọrọ m akụkọ ndị ụnụ bara mba the next minute so ihe m na-achọ ikwu no that is it gị bịata na family gị were nne di gị mere nne gị that is the only way you can find favor most times people ụmụ nwaanyị na-agadi ha che na ọsọ di ha if I win my husband's heart that's okay. I told her the first day or the Alota village that me introduced to my people. See, I hụrụ ndị niile na-abịa ebe abịa ekele gị. Those are your husband. Ndị niile wụ di gị, they are your husbands. I am just your husband that will cross boundary. But ndị niile na-abata ebe a, they are your husbands. Kama ị ga-emejọ nda, kama ị ga-eme nda ha anwụ obi nkori ma ọ wee iwe ma ọ mee anything. Offend me, I can bear it. I can take it. I can endure it.
Because someone o major ụmụnne gị ya, they will make the house unbearable for her.
Unbearable, and ebe ahụ iro ose ebe ahụ na-abata. From the time ha hate your wife, ha bido nwewere gị anya ọkụ, hate ọkwa gị n'onwe gị. But once they love your wife, the love will be transferred to you, and from you to your children. And every other person that comes around you.
Chifimo, somebody say, I hope they are recording this your teaching.
I know. I hope you are recording too. Maybe you can post it. Because it's very, very, I'm not saying it that I'm preaching. And I have every evidence to back up whatever I'm saying.